Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings. I already washed them, marinated them last night. I used my mustard, then my own special blend of seasonings. Let me show y'all. Mixed this up last night. I got me a spicy blend and a regular blend of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to try to put my own seasonings on the market. I'm trying to get the taste together. So that's the spicy. That's the regular. Okay. That's what I got the spicy on the chicken right now. And I made me some naked wings last night. Boy, were they good with my own seasoning. But I want some breaded wings today. So this is the Uncle Buck's chicken fry mix. I bought this online. I learned about this from Booker 500. So I got the spicy. And it's spicy, yeah. They also sell a mild version, but I don't have it. But I got the spicy, and it is hot and spicy. And good. So I'm going to put this in my breader shaker bowl. That's how it looks. That's the color of it. So you can see that it's spicy. Okay, that should be enough. Whenever you buy breading mixes, don't ever just dump it all in a container or in a Ziploc bag. Or you might not need all that. You don't want it going to waste. Okay. Put my chicken in here. And before you bread your chicken, make sure your chicken is as dry as possible. This one looks kind of soupy wet. Okay, where's the top? Let's come to the lid. Make sure that lid is on there good, and then hold to under the bottom of here so you can hold the lid and the bottom of here. And shake. I'll put a link to this breader shaker bowl in my description box. I used to use Ziploc bags, which also works. And before that, I was using the brown paper bag, like my mama used to use. And she made up all her own flour mixture. We'll get the color of that, y'all. Okay. Putting it in this 3-point, this is the smaller COSORI that they sent me, 3.7 quart. I forgot how big it is. I just love the COSORI air fryers. People always ask me, which air fryer do I like the best? COSORI. Somebody asked me how many air fryers I have. I think I got 6 right now. And I'm giving two away. Giving 2 away, I believe. That's enough. Okay, I'm going to spray my wings with olive oil. since they're breaded. I had naked wings last night, so they didn't need any spraying because the skin on the chicken makes its own oil. So I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. I'm holding it up kind of high so the spray doesn't knock all the breading off. If I hold it too close, it'll knock the breading off. That's how it looks. Okay, turn it on. It's already preset for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. I want it to be set for 400 degrees. I usually just press the chicken leg icon. Walk back there sneezing. So I want it to go up to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, and turn it on. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. And I have this on. This is sitting on, the air fryer is sitting on a rolling countertop tray, like that. Press this little lever down and slide it back and forth. So the air fryer itself is not jammed up against the wall, blowing out that hot air on my wall. So I'll leave a link to my rolling countertop tray also. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. The chicken has 4 more minutes, but it was marinated, so it's done now. I'm going to turn it off. Push it back. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay. Use this. I didn't turn it over. It's the underside. And it didn't stick to the basket. And I just sprayed that one side. The skin wants to come off a little on that side. Good. I better not drop this. That's the cleanup for the basket. Not bad at all. That's why I love my COSORI. Unplug it. I'll wash it later. That's the way my chicken looks. It's piping hot. Okay. I'm about to taste it right this minute. But I know it's double spicy because the breading was spicy and the seasoning mix I put on the chicken was spicy. I want to taste it for y'all. I think I want to put some of that sweet chili sauce on it. This is good. Put this on some spicy chicken. Good eating. Oh, I don't have a thumbnail. Wait a minute. Thumbnail. Okay, I got a croissant there. I ain't got no salad. I don't want no potatoes. I don't want nothing else. Okay. I'm going to taste it. I'm still letting it cool a little bit. But I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Whoa. Hot, hot, hot. Woo! break off a piece. It's crispy. I've had it before, so I know how it tastes. Broke off a piece of the skin. Oh my goodness. Ow. Uh-oh. Gonna have me coughing. That's good. The Uncle Buck's hot and spicy seasoning mix is good. They also have it in mild. I think I'm going to buy the mild too, and maybe mix the two because this is spicy. Putting some of this Frank's Red Hot sweet chili sauce, and this is not hot at all. That's just the name. It's not hot. I'm trying to break off a big enough piece. Ouch. Woo! It's piping hot. Oh my goodness. This is good, yeah. I never walked through the drumettes. He's gonna air fry his later, which is good. I think I got 2 drumettes, and the rest flats. My favorite. Okay, I'm gone for real now. Bye.